Hello, if you're having trouble with your 2019 to 2023 Honda Odyssey, the hatch won't stay up, keeps coming down slowly and then airs and goes up and down until it airs out and closes. Ours has been doing it for a year. There's nothing on the internet about fixing it. Honda wanted $1,500. You can buy these shocks from Honda, 150 to 200 bucks. It's the problem. They get weak. They're up inside there. There's one on each side. That one's got the motor. This one is just the shock. I only changed one because ours was acting up on this side. It had always squeaked and was always causing trouble. So I replaced the one. Take about an hour to get in there, another hour to put it in, and another hour to put it back. It's not that big a deal. It's fixed ours. First time in 2 years when you push the button, it goes down. The car needs washed. And then goes up and stays, which is freaking phenomenal. Used to go down slowly, pop up, go down slowly, pop up. Now it's fixed. Those parts are, that inside of that is just a couple clips that it pops off just like a strut. You have to have somebody hold this door up real high to put it back on. Other than that, it worked fine. See you, thanks, bye.